So, good day everyone and welcome back to another episode of our MATHFLEX. So, for today, we'll take a short break of our parabola series. So, I just want to give way to our subscribers who sent us some problems and they requested us to flex them on our course. So, I guess today is the best time to have them here. So, before we proceed on those problems, so I just want to have a quick review of our basic angle properties. So I guess you are familiar with this properties, but let me just have them reviewed as quick as we can. So we have the supplementary angles. So in a straight line actually is 180. So all angles constructed in a straight line, so their sum must be equal to 180. So for example here, if you have 30 degrees here, so the other angle, the supplementary angle should be 180 minus 30, so that would be 150. Again, if you have 30 here, 20 here, so the other angle should be 180 minus 20, that would be 160. So that is supplementary angle. The other one is complementary angle. So what does it mean? In a right triangle, all angles constructed in a right triangle must sum to 90 degrees. Say for example here, if I have 30, so the other angle should be 90 minus 30, that would be 60. Or if you have 45, so that means the other angle should be 45 also. So that is complementary angles. And the third one, I think it's very important. So we have here in a triangle, so the sum of interior angles in a triangle must equal to 180. So for example, in this angle, if you have angle A, B, and C, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C must sum to 180. Okay? So that's a quick review only. So let's go directly to our problems. So I hope you'll stay. Let's have them now. Okay, so let's have this first problem here. So actually, this first problem is sent to us or sent to me by one of my colleagues. So I just want to make a special shout out to Mr. Mir Ali for sending me this problem and for trusting me to solve this problem. So I just hope I can deliver the solution as you wanted it. Okay, let's try it. In the given figure, if angle A, B, and D is 90 degrees, so that means we have a right triangle here. Then angle C, A, and D, so that means we are required to find this angle. So let's try to make it like theta. So what's that angle here? So angle C, A, and D. Again, we had a quick review earlier of our basic angle properties. So we say that in a triangle, all interior angle must sum to 180 degrees. So let's try. We say here that angles C, A, and D, so we don't know this angle here. We don't know this angle here. But we know that based on, again, on our review a while ago, that if you have a straight line and all angles constructed within the straight line must sum to 180 degrees. So if I have 30 degrees here, so this angle must be equal to 180 minus 30, which is 150. So in this case, this angle here is 150. So therefore, if I have angle A, C, and D, so that means this will be equal now to 180. If the sum of all angles must be equal to 180, we know this one to be 150, and then this one to be 20. So that means our angle there, or our theta there, must be equal to 10 degrees. Okay? So another way to solve this one is using angle C, A, and B. So the total angle here must be equal to what? 180 minus 20, that's 160 minus 90 here, that means this total angle here must be equal to 70, right? And then if you will consider D, A, and B, or B, A, D, so that means if this is 30 and this is 90, so that means this angle only must be equal to 60. So therefore, to get that angle, so that angle must be 70 minus 60. So again, we'll get an angle theta which is equal to 10 degrees. Okay? So again, to solve problems like this, we should be aware, or we should always know our basic. So that is the basic angle properties. So just like that, we use them on how to arrive with that answer here. Okay? So again, let's have the next problem. Okay, so let's have these two problems here. So actually, these two problems came from our grade 6 subscribers, but she doesn't want to mention her name, so let's respect that one. So again, these two problems will fall on complementary and supplementary angles. So that's why we had a quick review of basic angle properties, so we can solve these two problems here. So again, let's try number 2 here. Two angles are complementary. So if one angle is double the other, so find the angle. So again, complementary angles, their sum is 90 degrees. So say for example, you have this angle here, so that means it says like if one angle is double, so that means if this angle, let's try to designate this one as x, so that means the other angle there is double, which is 2x. So complementary angles must sum to 90 degrees, so that means this would be 2x plus x is equal to 90 degrees. So that means 3x is equal to 90. So divide both sides by 3, so x then will be equal to 30. So the smaller angle is 30, and 2x then is equal to 60. So the other angle is 60 degrees. So again, the problem, we might find the problem very easy, but if we don't know the basic concepts on complementary and supplementary angles, so we'll be at a loss at some point, okay? So let's try number 3 here. Two angles are supplementary. So again, here supplementary. So in a straight line, all angles that are constructed in a straight line must sum to 180 degrees. So say for example, here you have here straight line, and then you have here. So if the ratio of the smaller angle to a larger angle is 5:6, so that means you have a smaller angle here and you have a larger angle there. So that means the ratio is 5:7. I think I mentioned 5:6. So 5:7. So therefore, if you try to express that algebraically, so that means you have 5x plus 7x is equal now to 180 degrees. Okay? Therefore, you have here 12x is equal to 180. So divide both sides by 12. So x then is equal to, that means x here is 15. So therefore, the smaller, what is the measure of the smaller angle? So that means the smaller angle here is equal to 5 times 15, which is equal to 75 degrees. Okay? So I think I hope you learned something from our today's lesson. So that's it for now, and keep on watching and subscribe, of course, and hit that notification bell for you to get updated on our succeeding videos. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye. Jen. Stop. Oh, sama. Kiss. Takot ka. Hindi na siya nangagat na Jen. Kiss. Jen, come. Ay, galit na ako.
Hindi na lalapit
Jen.
yan.
Rachel, come. Come!
Hindi lalapit sa iya. Nandiyan sister eh.
Rachel, meet star. Okay, mag-away ah.
Walang away ha.
Ay naku, nasa fight mode na si Star. No way! Yan na! Yan na! Ayan na! Shit! Ayan na! Magkakasugatan na yung mga yan.
Oh, walang away. Walang away. Walang away.
Hindi talaga sila mag-ano. Si Star, oh. Mukhang nag-ano. Enemy spotted! Nag-mekto si Star, eh. Oh, bisit. Yan na.
Star, walang away. Star. Wala.
Sabi ko na eh.